Hey fellow adventurers! Welcome back to the channel where we unravel the mysteries of Amsterdam. Today, we're diving into a question that often pops up in my travel journey: the 10 secrets of the Amsterdam Red District Tour in 2024. Now, I get it, Amsterdam's red light district is a unique and curious spot, drawing many inquisitive souls. So, let's spill the beans on the best tips to make your visit memorable and respectful. Timing is key. When it comes to the red light district, timing is everything. It's not just about day or night, it's about choosing the right moment. Early evenings tend to be less crowded, giving you a chance to stroll without feeling overwhelmed. Plus, it's easier to strike up a conversation with locals who might share some hidden gems. Respect the workers. Remember, the red light district is a place of work for many. Be respectful and mindful of the women and men working there. Avoid taking pictures directly at the windows, it's a no-go. Instead, appreciate the unique atmosphere and the historic charm of the area. Explore beyond the main streets. While the main streets might be bustling, don't hesitate to venture into the smaller alleys and lanes. You'll find hidden gems, cozy cafes, and local art that might not be on the typical tourist route. These areas offer a more authentic glimpse into Amsterdam's culture. Local guides know best. Consider joining a guided tour with a local. They often provide fascinating insights, share stories, and take you to spots you might overlook. Local guides can give you a deeper understanding of the history and culture, making your experience more enriching. Safety first. Amsterdam, like any city, requires you to stay vigilant. Keep your belongings secure and be cautious in crowded areas. While the red light district is generally safe, it's wise to stay aware of your surroundings. Trust your instincts, and if something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. So there you have it, fellow explorers, 5 tips to make your Amsterdam Red Light District tour in 2024 a fantastic and respectful experience. Now, go out there and create some unforgettable memories. And, as always, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Amsterdam adventures. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel where you will find a whole host of interesting videos about Amsterdam. Discover hotels, accommodations, and the best attractions in Amsterdam right now at amsterdamhoteldeals.nl by clicking the link in the description below.